Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. I am teaching you chapter number 1, Things Around Us. Things around us. Okay, and today date is 12 April 2021. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video I am explaining you how living things also depend on each other and how living things are depend on non-living things. Is it clear? How living things depend on each other? For example, plants need carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide they are getting from animals and human beings. Okay, so human beings and animals totally depend on plants because plants are the only producers. They can prepare their own food. Is it clear? So, and our living gas, that is oxygen, that also we are getting from the plants. So we are discussing that how living things depend on each other. Even in the dispersal of the seeds of the plant, for the dispersal of seeds of the plant, also plant depend upon animals and human beings. तो जो डिस्पर्सल है डिस्पर्सल जो है प्लांट्स के सीड्स के, उसके लिए भी प्लांट्स किस पे डिपेंड है बेटा? ह्यूमन बींग्स पे भी डिपेंड है और एनिमल्स पे भी डिपेंड है. ठीक है. सो एयर और वाटर पे भी डिपेंड है. दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट in chapter number 3. We will discuss in chapter number 3. After that, yesterday we discussed what is the importance of sunlight, because without sunlight plants cannot prepare their food. The process of photosynthesis is not complete without the sunlight. After that we discuss about water. What is the importance of water in our life? Is it life possible without water? So again the answer is no. And water is also required by the plants in the process of photosynthesis when they are making their own food, or you can say when they prepare their own food. At that time also plants also required water in the process of photosynthesis. And next soil is also a non-living thing, and without soil also life of a living thing is not possible. All the green plants grow in the soil because root goes down, and when we are talking about the plant, it is divided into two system, root system and shoot system. So root system is below the ground and shoot system is above the ground. So for this also life of the plant is possible without the soil? No, because minerals are present in the soil and these minerals are required by the plants for their growth. That is the reason here we discussed that living things totally depend upon non-living things for their survival. So today we have completed the chapter. Now let us start with the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. So question number A is a MCQ question. For one question three options are given. Is it clear? So question number A, pick the correct answer. For one question three options are given and we have to choose the right answer. So question number A is a MCQ question. Question 1. Which organ is used by fish? Which organ is used by fish to breathe? So, which organ is used by fish to breathe? The options are A. Lungs, option B. Gills, and option C. Spiracles. Now see, question is, which organ is used by fish to breathe? So lungs first option, then gills, third option is spiracle. So living things breathe. So this is the characteristic of a living things, that all living things breathe, but they having different organs to breathe. Okay, so lungs, human beings breathe through the lungs, and some animals also, like dog, cat, monkey, elephant, cow, buffalo, horse. So these are the names of some animals who breathe with the organ that is known as lungs. Okay, now see question option number C, spiracles. Insects like cockroach and flies. Insects like cockroach and flies, they having holes on their body. उनके बॉडी में होल्स होते हैं, and with these holes they breathe. Is it clear? The insects like cockroach and flies, they having a holes on their body, and by these holes they breathe. So student, these holes are known as spiracles. These holes are known as spiracles. Now see option number B, gills. So which fish aquatic animal. Fish is a aquatic animal. So like human beings and other animals, the fish do not live on the land. हम ह्यूमन बींग्स और बहुत से एनिमल्स हैं जो लैंड पे रहते हैं, लेकिन फिश आपको किस में मिलेगी बेटा? वाटर में. एक्वेटिक एनिमल है फिश. ओके, सो लाइफ ऑफ द फिश इज इन अ वाटर. सो in the water, what organ is required by the fish to breathe? That is gills. So gills is the right answer. You can write here gills, the organ which is used by a fish to breathe in the water. That organ is known as gills. Question number 2. Plants reproduce from. Plants reproduce from. So this is a characteristic of a living thing, that all living thing reproduce. Human beings and some animals give birth to their young ones, and some animals lay eggs, and after that they hatch their eggs and their young ones comes out from that egg. And when we are talking about the plants, how new plants comes? From the seed or by cutting different part of the plant. New plants grow through the seed or by cutting different part of the plant. So in this manner living things reproduce. So plants reproduce from dash. So the options are option A, seeds, option B, cutting, option C, both seeds and cutting. So plant reproduce from seed. Yes, this is true. Many plants reproduce from the seed. Now the question arises, student, from where are the seeds are present in the plant? So seeds are present inside the fruit. Whenever you eat different fruits and when you cut the fruit, you will see seeds inside the food. जब भी आप फ्रूट्स खाते हो, फ्रूट को कट करते हो, तो आप फ्रूट्स के अंदर क्या निकलता है? आपको बहुत से सीड्स देखने को मिलते हैं. कुछ फ्रूट्स होते हैं जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा सीड्स होते हैं, जैसे वाटरमेलन है, पपाया जिसे आप लोग पपीता कहते हो, ठीक है, मैंगो है, सिंगल सीड मिलेगा उसमें आपको, ठीक है. तो सीड इज इनसाइड द फूड. वेयर इज द सीड प्रेजेंट? सीड इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द फूड. सो plants reproduce through seed. Yes, this is also, yes, this is a right answer. Now see option number B, cutting. Yes, this is also the right answer. See, we do cutting of some of the plants, ठीक है. And what we cut the stems of the plants, and in the rainy season we put these stems, we plant this stem in the soil, and from these stems the new plants comes out. So cutting is also the method by which the plant grow. Cutting is also the method by which the plants grow, and especially we do cutting. By this method of cutting, new plants grow, especially in the rainy season. Is it clear? Now option number C is given, both seed and cutting. Yes, this is the right answer. New plant can be reproduced. Both the methods are right, by seeds also and by cutting also. और डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट से जब निकलते हैं ना, जैसे न्यू प्लांट सीड से भी आता है, स्टेम कटिंग से भी आता है, रूट से भी आता है, लीव से भी आता है, स्पोर से भी निकलता है, तो इसको वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन कहते हैं. ठीक है, डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट से जब न्यू प्लांट्स आते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन. ये क्लास 5 में आएगा आपको. अभी आप 4th में हो, क्लास 5 में ये न्यू टर्म आएगा आपको. ठीक है, सो नोट डाउन द आंसर. एंड एज यू नो, यू ऑल आर ऑलरेडी, आपने क्लास 3 EVS मुझसे ही पढ़ी है. सो आई होप आप लोग को रिमेंबर होगा कि बुक एक्सरसाइजेस वी आर कंप्लीटिंग इन द बुक ओनली. इज इट क्लियर? बुक एक्सरसाइजेस we complete in the book only, and in a classwork copy we write only question answers and diagram of the chapter we will draw. In classwork copy we will write the question answer of the chapter and the diagrams. We will draw diagrams. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Tiny pores on the surface of tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called dash. Tiny pores, leaves में small pores होते हैं on the surface of the leaves. So in this question it is asked, what is the name of that tiny pores? Options are holes, option B nose, option C stomata. See, tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called, first is given holes. So where holes are, especially the insects like cockroach and flies, you will see holes on the body of these insects like cockroach and flies for breathing. ठीक है, ब्रीथिंग के पर्पज से आपको कॉकरोच और फ्लाइज के बॉडी पे होल्स मिलेंगे जिससे वो लोग ब्रीथ करते हैं, और इन होल्स को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? स्पेरिकल्स बोलते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ सो होल इज नॉट ए राइट आंसर. नोज इज आल्सो अ ब्रीथिंग ऑर्गन. when we inhale air or exhale, inhale मतलब we take the air inside and exhale we take out the air out through our nose. So nose is the organ which is used by the human beings and some of the animals at the time of when they breathe. So they breathe air and through nose the air goes into the lungs. Now stomata. Yes, this is the right answer. The tiny pores on the surface of the leaves by which they do breathing, that is known as स्टोमेटा. क्योंकि स्टोमेटा ये जो टाइनी होल्स हैं यहीं पे एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज होती है. प्लांट्स टेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन. They take carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. So stomata is the right answer. Is it clear? Next is fourth, living things can dash. A, reproduce. B, grow. C, both reproduce and grow. ठीक है. So see, living things can. This is a characteristics of a living things, that living things reproduce. They give birth to their young ones, जो उनकी तरह ही देखने में लगते हैं. So this is the characteristics of a living thing. Some human beings and some animals give birth to their young ones, and some animals they give eggs and they hatch their eggs, and from the eggs the new ones come out. And plants का मैंने already आपको बता रखा है, seed है, cutting, stem from the roots, leaves, spores. So these are the way by which the new plants reproduce. So living things can reproduce. Yes, this is the characteristics of a living things. Next is grow. Yes, living thing grow. मैंने आपको बताया था सबकी लाइफ साइकिल होती है. आपका भी बर्थ हुआ है, आप और बड़े हो गए. once upon a time come you will become adult, and after that after few years slowly you become old, and once upon a time come you will die also. So this is a life cycle of all the living organism. जितने भी living organisms हैं सबकी लाइफ साइकिल्स है. इज इट क्लियर? सो लिविंग थिंग्स जो आपसे पूछ रहा है, लिविंग थिंग्स कैन डैश रिप्रोड्यूस ग्रो. सो दिस इज राइट ऑप्शन. बोथ reproduce also and grow also. This is the characteristic of the living things. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, whether the given statement true or false. ठीक है, whether the given statement is true or false. अब now see student, first question is tree are both living things. Tree are both living things and natural things. So yes student, tree are both living things and natural things. तो लिविंग थिंग्स तो आप लोग समझ रहे हो कि ट्री इज अ लिविंग थिंग. आई होप दिस इज वेरी क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. अब क्वेश्चन अनाइज होता है नेचुरल थिंग. नेचुरल थिंग मीन्स दोज थिंग्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द नेचर. ट्री कोई मैन मेड तो है नहीं, हमने तो ट्री को बनाया नहीं है. ट्री क्या है, अपने से नेचर में प्रेजेंट है. सो यस स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. ट्री आर बोथ लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नेचुरल थिंग्स. सो this is a true statement. Is it clear? So this is a true statement. Second, animals cannot make their own food. In their body. Question is, animals cannot make their own food in their body. So can animals make their own food? No, because student, human beings and animals both are depend on what? Both are depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Because plants are the, because when we study the living things, living organism, so under this plants, animal and human being comes. But only plants are the producer. ठीक है, प्लांट ही प्रोड्यूसर है. They can only prepare their own food, and this is not possible that human beings or animals can prepare their own food, because plants are the only producers. So question is, animals cannot make their own food in their body. So this is a true statement. Note down, this is a true statement. Thank you, student.